So we've just come to collect another spindle moulder. So I've been asked by somebody if I could do a video on how we collect them and load them and unload them and so on and so forth. So that's what I'm doing. How they have the motor in the shaft and easy belt change.
Speed change, yeah. Done a few revs. Not less than the weather.
So what they do that for?
Funny crowd. Funny crowd. Probably haven't returned in 20 years. You like to pull them, put a bobbin on it.
That doesn't make it moves. Too far forward though, because they feel like they're going to snap your arm and go over a bump. I don't use any big tooling. Like the biggest tooling I have is about 200mm like raised panel. Everything else is just like, you know, wouldn't go any bigger than probably 150.
I want to go a bit more in the back one. I don't go move anywhere. No. Only off.
Yeah, so we've just put that on. Looks a little bit heavier than I was expecting, but should be fine. See how we go. The truck's rated at 1 tonne. The spindle's probably 600 or 700 kilos, so we'll see how we go. Alright, so now we've got an hour and a bit's drive home. So we've just arrived back home. It was a wet trip, so we had to pull over and get a tarp put on it. She was getting just a bit too wet for my liking, so yeah, so now we're just gonna grab the fork out and get her off. So we've got her inside. Now, the reason why I bought this was for this. For that fence and hood set up there so that I can put that on the SCM. This, I don't know if this spindle works or not. I only paid $250 for it. And the only reason I bought it was for, as I said, for that fence. I think it can probably be salvaged. But it all looks alright under here. Don't know if that works or not, but I'm sure it can be fixed up and used. It's forward and reverse as well, which is good. I've never seen, well, I've seen, but I've not used an Invicta Delta before. It's all solid cast iron, very heavy machine. But anyhow, she's in, so now I can get that fence system set up on the SCM and get the fence that's off the BEM that I've currently got on the SCM back onto the BEM. I've just sprayed a stack of WD-40 all around here and down in there, trying to free up. I tried to move the shaft when I picked it up and I couldn't rise or fall. Like the wheel, which is on the other side there, the wheel turns but the shaft wasn't going up and down, so I'm assuming that it's that in that section in there where the shaft slides up and down, that it's stuck on rust.